Once upon a time, in a small village nestled beside a whispering forest, lived a young boy named Leo. Leo was known for his incredible talent for carving intricate wooden toys. His nimble fingers danced across the wood, transforming simple blocks into fantastical creatures and miniature carts. However, Leo had a problem. He was easily discouraged. If a carving didn't turn out perfectly, he would throw his tools down in frustration and give up for the day. His grandmother, a wise woman with eyes as deep as the forest itself, noticed his struggles. One day, she called Leo to her side as he sat dejectedly staring at a half-finished wooden bird. "Little one," she said, her voice as soft as the rustling leaves. "Why the long face?" Leo mumbled about the bird's wing being crooked and how he couldn't fix it. His grandmother smiled gently. "Every master carver," she said, "has made a crooked wing or two. It's not the mistakes that define us, Leo, but how we learn from them." She then showed him a basket filled with oddly shaped pieces of wood, each with a flaw or imperfection. "These," she explained, "were all pieces I considered unusable at first. But look closely." She picked up a piece with a large knot. "This knot," she said, "became the head of a grumpy badger. See how the crack became the perfect line for his mouth." She showed him another piece, a warped plank. "This became the curved back of a playful cat." Leo looked at the pieces with newfound interest. He saw the potential in the imperfections, the hidden beauty in what he had previously discarded. His grandmother continued, "Sometimes, Leo, the most beautiful creations come from the most unexpected places. Don't let a little imperfection stop you. Instead, find a way to work with it, to transform it into something wonderful." Inspired, Leo picked up his tools again. He carefully examined the crooked wing of his bird. He didn't try to erase the flaw. Instead, he incorporated it into the design. He added a small twig to the bird's wing, turning the imperfection into a branch the bird was perched upon. He added a few more details, and soon, the bird was finished, even more unique and charming than before. He proudly showed his grandmother his finished work. She smiled, her eyes sparkling with pride. "See, Leo," she said, "you turned a mistake into a masterpiece. Remember this always. Never give up on your creations, no matter how many crooked wings you encounter along the way." From that day on, Leo continued to carve, his confidence soaring. He learned to embrace the imperfections, to see the beauty in the unexpected, and to transform his mistakes into something truly extraordinary. He became known not only for his skill, but for his unwavering perseverance and positive attitude, inspiring others in the village to do the same. His story became a legend, a reminder that even the smallest imperfections can lead to the greatest works of art, and that true mastery comes not from avoiding mistakes, but from learning to embrace them.